It is often said that the living room is the heart of the home, where you can relax, entertain, and enjoy quality time with your loved ones. But how can you make the most of this important space, especially if it is small, awkward, or multifunctional? Watch this video. Here you will find tips and creative ideas to help you create a living room layout that suits your needs, style, and budget. Hi, I'm Lulu, your host for today's video. Welcome back to our channel and a newly uploaded video. If you like the video, please consider giving us a like, comment, and if you are not yet a subscriber, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, Grig Stamate Interior Design Solutions. So, the living room is one of the most important spaces in your home. And the question is, can we make it look beautiful, comfortable, and functional? In this video, we will show you some tips and tricks to arrange your furniture, choose your color scheme, add some accessories, and increase the natural light in your living room. Whether you have a small or large living room, we will help you create a layout that suits your space and your needs. So stay tuned and let's get started. This living room features a gray two-seat sofa, a rustic-style modern coffee table, and a gray area rug. A tiny round side table and a lightweight chair completes the seating arrangement. The retro-style light fixtures add a touch of elegance to the room. The high ceiling of the room creates an illusion of spaciousness, while the gray walls and area rug provide a neutral backdrop for the furniture. The rustic-style wooden coffee table adds warmth to the space and complements the gray sofa and rug. The tiny round side table is perfect for holding drinks or books, while the lightweight chair provides additional seating without taking up too much space. The retro-style light fixtures add a touch of glamour to the room and create a cozy atmosphere. Overall, this small living room is a perfect example of how to create a cozy and inviting space with limited square footage. Have a look at this living room. The room is furnished with a beautiful sofa in grey hued stripes, a round top coffee table and an ottoman. Decorative pillows, vases, and other small objects add a touch of elegance to the space. The beige and grey color palette creates a warm and inviting atmosphere, while the natural light from the balcony floods the room. The decorative pillows, the vase, and other small objects add a personal touch to the room and create a cozy atmosphere. They also serve as a focal point and draw the eye toward the balcony. The living room from the image is furnished with a three-seat grey sofa, a rectangular metal glass coffee table, a chair made from wire, a retro-style table lamp, and a floor-standing lamp. Three small paintings and decorative pillows add a touch of elegance to the space. The retro-style table lamp and floor standing lamp add a touch of glamour to the room, and the three small paintings add a pop of color to the room and create a sense of depth. The bone white walls of this living room and hardwood floors create a warm and inviting atmosphere, while the natural light from the outdoor patio floods the room. The modern black and white paintings add a touch of sophistication to the space and complement the mid-century style furniture. The colored decorative pillows add a pop of color to the room and create a cozy atmosphere. The top color walls of the living room from the image create a warm and inviting atmosphere, while the natural light from the floor-to-ceiling windows floods the room. The transparent beige curtains add a touch of elegance to the space and complement the top walls. The cognac leather sofa is the centerpiece of the room and provides ample seating for guests. The chocolate leather ottoman and lightweight chair provide additional seating without taking up too much space. The round metal coffee table is perfect for holding drinks or books, while the floor-standing lamp with a brown shade provides additional lighting and creates a cozy atmosphere. The large acrylic painting adds a pop of color to the room and creates a sense of depth. It is also served as a focal point and draws the eye towards the floor-to-ceiling windows. The lack of sofa in this living space makes it ideal for a multifunctional living and working area. The two-bin style chairs provide comfortable seating for both activities. The large potted plant adds a touch of nature to the space and creates a sense of calm. The plant on the windowsill also adds a touch of greenery and complements the large potted plants. The modern paintings add a pop of color to the room and create a sense of depth. They also serve as a focal point and draw the eye towards the chairs. This living room is simply but comfortably furnished. The Scandinavian design style is characterized by simplicity, functionality, and minimalism. The white, gray, and blue color palette creates a calm and inviting atmosphere. The simple but comfortable furnishing are perfect for a small living room. The white walls and blue accent create a sense of depth and add a touch of color to the room. The gray walls of this tiny living room create a warm and inviting atmosphere, while the natural light from the small balcony floods the room. The parquet flooring adds a touch of elegance to the space and complements the gray walls. The two-seat couch is perfect for a small living room and provides ample seating to guests. The round-top coffee table and low-profile TV stand provide additional storage without taking up too much space. We sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video. Please write your opinion in the comment section. And if you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your time. Best regards and see you soon to another new video. Bye bye.